Bosomtwe Lake. So we are at, well, I think it's Wildwin or Wildwin Resort. The prices here, I guess the prices everywhere nowadays are outrageous. We even got books just before we got here. Basically, the driver drove us to the actual lake and it's not even a resort, it's just, I think it's the people in that area, they're just charging people how the resorts are just to park there and everything. So we ended up paying like $150. And when we got there, it was not a vibe at all. So I forced my family to drive to this resort. And now when we got here, my mum's like not trying to pay for anything at all. So we just got drinks and kebab, and the guy was like, he'll allow us with the entry fee. So now I'm just chilling here. We came to Kumasi basically for, one could say, a pilgrimage. We basically came just to go church all the time. So this is one of the 2 days that we're not going to be at church. I've been at work and that's it, literally work and sleep and then church. It's very serene and peaceful. And we passed a few villages on the way here. So, you know, it'll be a nice place to live. But my mum was saying there'll be a lot of snakes and creepy crawlies and things like that. So I don't know if it'll be the place for me, but for those of you that like...
Take some more picture, one sec. Hey, come
Yeah, so the lighting is really bad here, but this is the view of the lake behind me. So, very scenic place.
Let's put it in the... Come this way. I do it. Owen?
Because this is a lake, do you know what? I actually assumed that there won't be any sand, so I'm not sure if that's sand or soil, but it's like, actually this would be mud. I'll have to double check with my mum, but for now it looks like black sand, but I'm sure it's not sand. I'm not too sure, but there's fish in here as well. It does seem to be like a black sand sort of situation going on. So, you know, it's really nice. Wow. And there's a lot of like fish in the water. When I was standing on the mini pier, I could see them, but now I can't. But there were fish somewhere. Anyways. So my brother's doing enjoyment. I saw fish here, but I don't know where they went. Oh yeah, look, so they're too small. All the fish seem to have swum away as soon as we came down here. Maybe they heard the vibrations of or felt the vibrations of our feet. This is the seating they have here. I assume you would put some sort of pad across here because look at the state of this. That's not it. So I think you'd have to put some sort of like foam pad on it to chill. This is the scene here. So as you can see, it's like mountains up there and then the seating everywhere else. So it's really nice. There's a lot of fallen coconuts, but my mum said they'll all be dry, so there's no point in trying to break them open.
So come at the kebab in 2020.
You want me to go and check it out? But you know when you go to the beach, you get like sea breeze.
Yeah.
Yeah, but here you're not getting that because it's like standing water.
Yeah.
Not going over, standing water. Even river it flows.
Yeah, that's true.
But this one is just standing water. Doesn't go anywhere.
In the yellow container?
Oh no.
Oh. All I see is a bush. I haven't got my mic right now because it's off, but I wanted to show you guys where the toilets are in this resort because it's, I don't even want to sound rude, but it's too bush. Like, we had to do like a minute's walk to this building through there so my mum can use the toilet. So let's go see how clean the toilets are. Okay guys, so these are the toilets at Wildwin Resort, and the toilets look so bush to me, but maybe I'm used to a certain kind of standard, but this is meant to be a resort, so this looks crazy to me. At least it's got a window. This is what the inside of the cubicle looks like.
These are full all over the place.
Oh wow, that was lizard poo.
Yeah, this side.
I even thought it was some sort of...
This side, these are two, these are two, these are two.
The lizards have been enjoying.
These are two. Remember, because I don't like lizards, so I know very well. I know all of my
My mum has PTSD from all her lizard encounters. Wow, so bright there.
What's about four? I'm not supposed to acquire.
Do you want help, Grandma? Minute.
How long does it kebab take?
I have no idea.
If we touch it, what will happen? Huh? Are you sure nothing will happen? You touch the tree first. Yeah, I can't touch it. I'm not standing up. It's okay. But it's a big tree though. What, 300 and something years?
I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Why they like those things like that?